Welcome, curious minds, to a fascinating journey into the world of chemical tricks that will leave you awestruck. Today, we're diving deep into a mesmerizing realm where science meets magic. But before we unveil these mind-bending chemical phenomena, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing content like this. Now, prepare to be amazed. Chemistry is the ultimate magic show, where molecules transform before our very eyes, creating mesmerizing displays of color, light, and energy. Today, we'll explore 10 jaw-dropping chemical tricks that will challenge your understanding of the natural world and leave you with a newfound appreciation for the power of chemistry. Get ready to witness the magic unfold. 1. Elephant's toothpaste. Imagine a foam eruption so massive it resembles a toothpaste fit for an elephant. This dazzling display of chemical kinetics occurs when hydrogen peroxide reacts with a catalyst like potassium iodide or yeast, producing oxygen gas and rapidly expanding foam. It's a mesmerizing sight that's sure to leave you in awe. 2. Color-changing chemistry. Prepare to be dazzled as we explore the enchanting world of color-changing chemicals. From pH indicators like phenolphthalein and bromothymol blue to thermochromic pigments that respond to temperature changes, these compounds undergo mesmerizing transformations, creating a visual feast for the eyes. 3. Luminous liquids. Step into the realm of bioluminescence and chemiluminescence, where chemicals emit light without the need for external sources. From fireflies to glow sticks, nature and chemistry collaborate to produce stunning displays of illumination that captivate our senses and ignite our curiosity. 4. Magic sand. Prepare to be mystified by the wonders of hydrophobic sand, a magical material that repels water and seemingly defies gravity. Through a process known as silicization, ordinary sand is coated with hydrophobic molecules, transforming it into a mesmerizing substance that behaves like no other. 5. Dancing flames. Prepare to see the captivating dance of flames as we delve into the subject of combustion reactions. From metal salts that produce vibrant hues to controlled burns that create intricate patterns, the chemistry of fire offers a spectacle that's as captivating as it is awe-inspiring. 6. Invisible ink. Unlock the secrets of invisible ink as we delve into the fascinating world of chemical espionage. From lemon juice and milk to specialized formulations used by spies and secret agents, these covert compounds reveal hidden messages when exposed to heat, light, or other chemicals. 7. Exothermic reactions. Feel the heat as we explore the exhilarating world of exothermic reactions. From the classic combination of vinegar and baking soda to the explosive power of thermite, these reactions release energy in the form of heat, light, and sound, creating breathtaking displays of chemical energy. 8. Supercooling. Prepare to be chilled to the bone as we uncover the chilling phenomenon of supercooling. By cooling liquids below their freezing point without triggering crystallization, scientists can create mesmerizing displays of supercooled water that instantly freeze upon contact with a catalyst. 9. Chemical clocks. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Prepare to be mesmerized by the captivating rhythm of chemical clocks. These timekeeping reactions undergo a series of color changes and transformations, culminating in a dramatic finale that's as unpredictable as it is captivating. 10. Magic gases. Finally, we'll explore the enchanting world of magic gases, where ordinary substances undergo extraordinary transformations. From the mysterious disappearance of helium balloons to the mesmerizing levitation of objects in sulfur hexafluoride, these gases defy our expectations and challenge our understanding of the natural world. There you have it, 10 incredible chemical feats that will captivate you. If you've enjoyed this journey into the world of chemistry, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep embracing the magic of science.